Good morning, student. Today in this video we will discuss about the another type of disorder that are separation anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, post-traumatic disorder. Somatoform disorder comprises of illness anxiety disorder and conversion disorder. Individuals with separation anxiety disorders are fearful and anxious about the separation from the attachment figures to an extent that is developmentally not appropriate. Children have SAD may have difficulty being in a room by themselves or going to school alone, are fearful of entering a new situation. So children's separation anxiety disorder is a part of anxiety disorder in which a person is unable to form separation from their loved figures or on being detached from their loved ones. They are unable to live. For example, when a child goes to a boarding school, he is unable to adjust into a new place because of the attachment he had formed with his parents. He or she is unable to concentrate, and so this type of disorder is called separation anxiety disorder. Now children, another type of disorder is obsessive compulsive disorder. Now children, obsessive behavior is the inability to stop thinking about a particular idea or a topic, and these thoughts are unpleasant and shameful. Whereas compulsive behavior is the need to perform certain behavior over and over again. For example, counting, checking, washing, touching again and again. Now children, how do we come to know a person is suffering from compulsive disorder? The people who had a habit of washing their hands again and again more than 1 or 2 times, then it is known as a person is suffering from a compulsive behavior. Now children, another type of disorder is post-traumatic disorder, which is known as PTSD. In this disorder, a person has a recurrent dreams about the stressful situation, impaired concentration, and emotional numbing are the symptoms of post-traumatic disorder. For example, during an earthquake, individual being a part of a stressful situation gets affected by stressful situation, and it affects the overall functioning of an individual because person is unable to bear the pain of a stressful situation and may have flashback. The causes of post-traumatic stress disorder could be rape, childhood neglect, childhood physical abuse, rape, physical attacks, being threatened with a weapon. So children, these are the causes of post-traumatic stress disorder. Now talking about the another form of disorder that is known as somatic symptom and related disorder. Now children, the word somatic means the problems which are related to the body. It happens when the brain does not function in a proper manner. The effect or the problem can be seen on an individual health, and these are the conditions in which there are physical symptoms in the absence of a physical disease. So children, it means a person has a belief that he has occupied a particular disease and is always worried about the preoccupied disease but is unable to find the root cause of the problem. In these disorders, the individual has difficulties and complaints of physical symptoms for which there is no biological disorder, for which there is no biological cause. Now, somatoform disorder comprises of illness anxiety disorder, which involves persistent preoccupation about developing a serious illness and constantly worrying about this possibility. Now, this is accompanied by anxiety about one's health. Individual with illness anxiety disorder overly concerned about the undiagnosed disease and do not respond to an assurance by the doctors and are easily alarmed about someone else's illness. So children, illness anxiety disorder is a disorder in which a person has a belief that he or she has occupied a particular illness, and he or she also has a belief of having an illness which makes a person to suffer from anxiety. After being assured by the medical treatment, then also person has a belief that he has some or other illness, so it is known as illness anxiety disorder. Now another type of disorder that is known as conversion disorders are those disorders as a reported loss of part of a body function such as paralysis, blindness, deafness, and difficulty in work are generally the symptoms of this disorder. So children, conversion disorders are those disorders in which a person has lost a part of the body, and that makes a person to suffer from paralysis, blindness, or deafness. So then we come to know that the person is suffering from conversion disorder.